family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. If you would love to see how I take Aurora hair from this state to this, then please keep on watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please follow me on Instagram also. I always forget to tell you guys that. So let's just jump right into the video. Our first ingredient that we will be using today is fresh aloe vera gel. Being that Aurora is only 2, I prefer to use only the gel on her and not the peeling. So first of all, I'm just going to remove the sharp prickly ends so that I do not hurt myself. And then I will slice my aloe vera in smaller pieces so that I can be able to extract the gel. Aloe vera is an amazing plant for hair growth and hair thinning. It contains proteolytic enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It moisturizes the hair, increases hair growth, and conditions the hair. So that is the first gel that we will be using today. This is the amount of gel that I was able to get out without adding in any water to it. I'm just going to blend it because I prefer to blend my aloe vera gel so that I do not waste most of it. And then I will just use my stocking to be able to screen it. And we will just use the 100% aloe vera gel on Aurora's hair. You can also get this stocking from Amazon. I will leave my Amazon store down in the description box for you guys. Most of my DIY ingredients, if you check on my Amazon store, you will be able to purchase it from there. Because I know most of the time you guys keep asking me where I purchase my Vera types of herbs from. So please check my Amazon store link down in the description box. I'm just going to transfer it into a spray bottle for easy application on Aurora's hair. And this is what we are going to use tomorrow morning. So this is the next day. I just decided to make the aloe vera juice in the night. And then I kept it in the fridge. So I'm now going to proceed with Aurora wash day. I love to use this hair wrap because I'm able to see her hair when it tangles up on it instead of using a black hair wrap on it. But if you are fine with using black rubber bands on your kid head and it does not cut their hair, then that's great. So her hair is very dry and brittle. Aurora have a very dry hair. Her hair needs a lot of concentration, a lot of love, but being that she's very young, I haven't developed a routine for her yet. I just take care of her hair whenever I have time to do it. So she's not 100% used to me doing her hair like this, but I'm hoping that by the time she's about 4 or 5, I can set a routine for her, and at a time she will understand that her hair needs to be done. For now, she's a kid, so I don't want to bother her about her hair. It left with her to let me know when she's that older if she wants me to do her hair. And I also plan that when she's a bit older, we will discuss about DIY treatments on her and see what she says. So for now, I just keep it very, very simple on Aurora's hair. Most of you guys been asking me what I do with Aurora hair, what kind of treatment I do with her hair, what I use on her hair. So please watch the whole video so you can see all what we use on her hair, her daddy and myself, because sometimes he also washes her hair. So I will be showing you guys the shampoo I use, the deep conditioner I use, and what I use to moisturize her hair. Please keep in mind again, I keep her hair routine very, very simple. I do not have a fixed routine for her. I'm sorry if that's something that you thought I do with Aurora hair because she's on it too. So I keep her routine very, very simple. So I'm just going to spray the fresh aloe vera juice on her hair and then try to finger to tangle because her hair is very, very tangled. And do not worry if your kid head is very tangled at the beginning. Just do this exact routine, and by the time you reach to putting in the conditioner on their hair, the knots will already be soft and you can just detangle their hair. I wouldn't advise you to tangling the hair at the early stage. You're just gonna hurt them and you're just gonna pull a lot of hair out. So this is what I do. I just finger detangle with the pre-poo treatment and the fresh aloe vera. And then I'm going to go in again with my S Secrets Growth Oil. I use my S Secrets Growth Oil on Aurora because it contains 100% natural ingredients or herbs, moisturizing oils. Please do not use the caffeine growth oil on your kid because, as you guys know, caffeine is not good. But if you have a kid Aurora age, you can use the S Secrets growth oil on them, but not my caffeine growth oil. So after I do that, I just left the treatment on her for 10 minutes for her to play around. I'm now going in with the shampoo and I'm going to shampoo her hair. I'm using the Johnson's Calming Shampoo on Aurora. There is no parabens, no phthalates, no sulfates or dyes. It leaves baby's hair soft, shining, and smelling wonderfully fresh. A relaxing, natural calming aroma. It helps soothe baby before bedtime. So this is the only shampoo that we use on Aurora. And even when it gets into her eyes, it's fine. It doesn't burn her. So I'm just going to work that through her hair and then I'm going to rinse it out. Now the fun part when I'm rinsing Aurora's hair out and when I tell her to put her neck back for me to rinse it so that the water don't go on her face, and she listens and she does the right thing. So you guys just watch the video and you will enjoy it. I'm now going in with her conditioner. I also use this as her deep conditioner because I apply it to her hair, leave it on for about 10 more minutes before I rinse it out. And I also use this conditioner as a detangler. When I have it in her hair, then I can go in with the wide tooth comb and just make sure I get any other tangles that is left on her hair. This is the Johnson's Ultra Hydrating Conditioner. Proteins and pro-vitamin B5. It nourishes and hydrates hair. There is no parabens, no phthalates, no sulfates or dyes in it. enough fun time to not have baby fever, please. Now I'm going in with just for me from the brand Best Soft and Beautiful. This is their natural hair milk with coconut milk, shea butter, vitamin E, and sunflower oil. It is a leave-in detangler. It nourishes for softness and bounce. So I'm just going to mix that with few drops of my S Secrets Growth Oil and moisturize it through Aurora hair. After doing that, I just love to give her a messy bun, and that is the end of her wash day. If you love this video, do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Please wait, Aurora also want to say bye to you guys.